Okay, I've been getting some viewer questions about, am I too thin or am I too skinny to do a dry fast? That really has nothing to do with it. It's what your weight is for your body size and type. Because during a dry fast, you're going to drop 15 to 20 pounds, mostly fat, because that's what you're drawing on. So you have to ask yourself a question. Can I afford to lose 20 or 20 pounds, 15 to 20 pounds at the weight I currently am? And if you think not, put some weight on, because you're going to draw on that fat. You're going to draw it back down anyway. Usually you'll get some of that weight back when you start eating. It'll start building those fat stores and rehydrating yourself. But there's the question. Can I afford to lose 15 to 20 pounds during a dry fast? Because that's really all that matters. The idea here with the Phoenix Protocol is to draw on fat, to go through the dry fast, to delete and get rid of the toxins held in the fat cells. And you want to do that safely without grinding up your muscle tissue and gluconeogenesis to provide your plasma glucose. Because as we know, during a dry fast, you stimulate the renal medulla and the kidneys to release epinephrine, which stimulates the lipase to start cleaving these triglycerides into fat cells into free fatty acids and glycerol, because your brain and blood require plasma glucose to stay alive. Don't want to go into gluconeogenesis to do that and dissolve your muscle tissue. It's too hard to build muscle tissue, I know personally. So there's my answer. If you can't lose 15 to 20 pounds during a dry fast, put some weight on. You'll end up taking it off with a dry fast, and it'll be just fine. So there's my message. If you want to evaluate yourself, if you can do a dry fast in the current state you're in for your body type, size, and height, and it can lose 15 to 20 pounds, go for it. If not, get some weight back on. Eat some bread, eat some sugars, eat some pastries, stuff like that, that immediately starts building up the fat cells, because you're going to use those during the dry fast.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.